Assalamu alaikum. We have come to visit Coxbazar Sea Beach, mini Coxbazar. That means Kishorgunj, and we are two family here. And this is Mehtuba and Shamim Ashraf Bhai, the associate professor of Habibullah Bahar College. Please say something about your feelings after coming here.
Truly to say that the environment of this place and riverside is very excellent. The view of the river it attract me, and our soil also very enjoyable. They feeling comfort and easiness after coming here. We also sharing their feelings with us, and all the environment around us actually nice. And this environment recall me my childhood memory when we are also the child. We enjoy same kind of pleasure in our village, and after coming here I also recall my that kind of feelings every year.
Do you understand that you are nostalgic?
Yeah, of course, after coming here I'm feeling of nostalgic.
Yeah, fine. This is the time of Maifa. Please, Maifa, please say something. What's your name? Loudly speak, please. What class do you read in?
I did class 3.
Class 3. Okay. You are also nature lover. You also want to visit different places with your father. And thank you very much, everybody. What is your name? Mehtub Nuras Ashraf. What's your name? What's your name? You say, please. I know. What's your name? Wow, my God. And she is Ifra, and she also she is very fluent. She can introduce herself, but now her mood is not good. That's why he avoid to say something. Thank you very much.